Hello friends, welcome to Hrishi Computer Education. In this particular presentation, let's discuss about web designing and understand who actually the web designer is. A web designer is a person who is creative and innovative enough to create a website. He is the one who actually understands the requirements for the creation of a website. In short terms, the web designer is in control of the entire website. So, why web designing is important? As we know, internet has become a universal need across the globe. It has become essential for every individual to promote themselves through various mediums. As human beings, we get attracted toward various unique things around us. In the same manner, good sites increase customer conversions. Sites can even help your branding. As number of smartphone users is rapidly increasing, the scope of responsiveness has fairly widened. Let's understand the responsibilities and duties of a web designer. A web designer creates the look, layout, and features of a website. The job involves understanding both graphic design and computer programming. Once a website is created, a designer helps with maintenance and additions to the website. So, what are the duties of a web designer? Writing and editing content, designing web page layout, determining technical requirements for the website, and updating websites. What is the specific knowledge required to be a web designer? You need to know HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript and Ajax, Bootstrap for responsiveness, jQuery for animation effects, AngularJS, Photoshop, PHP, MySQL, fundamentals of design imaging, basic web design, and but obvious content management. What are the life skills required for the web designer? He must be very creative and innovative enough to create wonderful websites. He should be talented enough to effectively communicate with his clients. He should also have excellent presentation skills so that he can present his websites and its unique features to the customers. Where web designers can work. Web designers can work in web development companies, home office and startups. They can even do freelancing projects and small scale and large scale organizations dealing with both web designing and web development.